Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Tutor the Greatest Mkoba. So in this video we are going to talk about algebraic expressions. Make sure you've watched my previous video on introduction to algebra. And what expressions? So okay, simply we can say expressions are statements in math that consist of operators, numbers and variables without the equal sign. So expressions, the main difference, as we saw in our previous video, between expressions and equations is that expressions do not have the equal sign. So it's just like a statement of relationship between these operators, numbers and variables. And you all know variables are those unknowns, the x and y's. uh, an expression, for instance, it can be 4x plus 4. This is a good example for an expression. We have a variable, we have coefficient, we have this constant, but there is no equal sign. So what are we going to learn under these expressions? In these expressions, what we need to know here is how to simplify algebraic expressions. And when we talk about simplifying, means we make complicated expressions simple. How do we make it simple? We condense it, we collect the like terms, and we add or subtract those like terms. Let's see an example of how this thing is done. Okay, we have an expression like this one. We have 4x plus 6y plus 12x minus 3y. So in simplifying expressions, the first thing that we have to do is to collect like terms. We have to know how to collect we have to collect the like terms. But okay, fine, let's not try to memorize this, but let's try to understand what are terms in mathematics. Terms, I can say this is a set of a number together with its variable, coefficient and the variable, or we can say it's a set of numbers and variables that are separated by operators addition or subtraction. So here we have this one, 4 and x and addition sign. So this is itself is a term. Also this one is a term because it's separated by other terms by addition sign. Even this one is a term because separated by other components of the expression by subtraction. So the entity, the numbers and variables multiplied together, which are separated by either addition or subtraction with other parts of the expression, that is what we call a term. So we have, this is a term, this is a term separator, we have this term separated, this term. So we have this and this. These are what we call terms. So what are like terms? We have like charges, like poles. So like terms, these are terms that we can say are the same. And about the similarity, what we look, it's not the numbers or the whole thing, but we just look at the variables. So the terms which have the same variables, that is what we call like terms. For instance, the variable of this term is x, so its like term is this one because its variable is also x. And collecting like terms means we put these like terms together. So before we collect, let me highlight the like terms. So we have, let me write 4x plus, so because okay, 6y, let me write it in a different pen. So 4x plus 6y plus, okay, 12x, because this and this are the same term, minus 3y. See? Okay, so we have to collect them together. We put the like terms together, the ones with x together. Okay, so 4x, so it is 4x plus 12x, okay, and the ones with y together, we say plus 6y minus 3y. See, then we add the terms with x together. 4x plus 12x, that is 16x. 6y minus 3y, that is 3y. We can't continue because we cannot add unlike terms. So this is the most simplified form of our expression. Thank you very much for staying till the end of the video. Make sure you practice a lot of questions on expressions so as you can build the skills. Also, make sure you hit that bell button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.